Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Greg Douglas coming at you with another edition of Explore More. This week, we're going to talk about our new Keno area, which is back to my right. Enjoy the information you'll receive in this segment.
Hi, my name is Alma, Keno manager here at Swinomish Casino Lodge. Welcome to the new Keno Lounge. The new Keno Lounge has more room for our Keno players. It is equipped with new comfortable seating, cozy ambience, and it's smoke-free too. Keno is all about the numbers. It is like the lottery. Simply mark from 1 to 15 numbers. The price per game is $1. If the number you pick match the numbers drawn, your $1 could win up to $50,000. Keno is open from 8:30 a.m. till midnight, Mondays through Thursdays, 8:30 a.m. till 2 a.m. on Fridays and Saturdays, and 9 a.m. till midnight on Sundays. Good luck and hope to see you soon.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed the segment of Explore More and our Keno area. Next week, check back on Wednesday for another edition showing more areas of our new renovation project.